Guys, I have a new neighbor, Jake. I was hanging out with him all night basically. I got to bed very late, like 3, 4 a.m. And now I got the solar panel here. The second, two out of three solar panels received. I just gotta remove all this industrial glue on the back of it. That's gonna take like 5 hours or so, maybe a little less. But yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing today then. I've been chilling out, hanging out with people all day, just outside my front door. Oh, this is a beautiful picture. Wish I could have the horses in the same shot, maybe from over here. Look at this. It's a great shot too. Let's see, maybe from around here. You can see some of the horses. It's been a chill day, guys. Already went shopping once. Helped some other residents buy a few things. Now I got some for myself. I'm just going home to relax some more. I picked up all the glue off of that solar panel earlier as well. And the fingers, the tips of them are kind of hurting. Some days are just like this, you know, not a lot of footage, not really a lot of info. That's actually what I've bought when I went shopping. The weather is starting to get a lot nicer though. Hi, Hester. Hi. Guys, it's time. Check out what I've made. Potato salad with Frankfurter, one of them with cheese inside. I'm not sure which one. We got some remoulade, some ketchup. Simple, basic, but it's exactly what I wanted today. And of course, me, you know, I gotta destroy my teeth. We got Coke. Itadakimasu. Good morning, guys. I'm watching some more Solomon Chow on YouTube. And I just got the text message that the last solar panel has arrived. Let's motherfucking go. Hey, we almost there, guys. We're almost ready. Last solar panel. Gotta check the box one final time. Yeah, we're almost ready to move out in a much improved manner to last time. The journey continues. Let's go. What is it? Jake, my new neighbor, gave me a lift in his car, so I just went shopping. It was very easy. I mean, not that riding the wheel is that difficult, but got a few different things. Got Koldskål, this Danish summer dairy drink where you crush these Kammerjunker into it. It's sweet, it's nice. Some milk, elderflower concentrate, this energy drink I love, Coke, garbage bags for this place, butter. These weird long grapes. Let's see how they taste. Haven't tried those before. I've been hanging out with people all day. Now I'm having whatever remained from what I ate yesterday. Sausages, potato salad, some remoulade, some ketchup. Let's go, I'm hungry. Itadakimasu.